This is my mother. She is homemaker and she is a very kid and hardworking woman. She has a warm smile and a calm personality. She lives with us and comfortable house and she spends most of her time taking care of her home. Every day she wakes up early to clean the house and prepare a breakfast. She likes swing and she is very good at it. In the afternoon, she enjoys baking cookies and the wild house smells delicious. And night, she lies and relax while and drinking tea. In her free times, she sometimes watch TV or listen to the music. She has like to tile with the family or spend time together. She has wonderful person and I love her very much.